Let me start with a small scene from everyday life. You are standing in a shop. The worker looks at you and smiles. They say, "Hello, how can I help you?" You understand the words. You know what to say. The sentence is inside your head, but your voice does not come out. Your heart beats faster. Your hands feel a little warm. Your face feels hot. You look down. You smile softly. You say nothing. You walk away. Later, you feel disappointed. Disappointed means sad because something did not happen the way you wanted. You think, "I knew the words. I could answer. Why did I stay silent?" This is shyness. Shyness means feeling nervous to speak in front of others. Many English learners feel this. You are not weak. You are not strange. You are human. Speaking a new language in front of people feels scary. But today, we will walk through this fear together, slowly, gently, with simple stories. Today, we talk about how to speak English without feeling shy. Not by forcing yourself, not by pushing hard, but by understanding your mind and giving it comfort. You are safe here. Welcome. We teach English the easy way. My name is Leo. I am your teacher. I speak slowly. I guide you gently. I respect your pace. After this lesson, you will understand why shyness happens. You will learn small steps to feel more comfortable. You will feel less fear when speaking English. You will feel more confident inside. Confidence means believing in yourself. Before we go deeper, I ask you kindly, if you enjoy learning with me, please subscribe. Subscribe means you join our learning family. Please like this lesson. Like means you support this space. Write a comment. Tell me your country. Tell me your English goal. Goal means your dream. Now, let us begin our story. There is a young woman named Sophia. Sophia learns English at home. She listens to lessons. She repeats sentences. She reads simple stories. At home, Sophia speaks English well. She feels free. But outside, everything changes. One day, Sophia goes to a cafe. Cafe means a small restaurant for coffee and snacks. The worker asks, "What would you like?" Sophia's mind knows the answer. "I want a coffee." But her voice feels stuck. Stuck means not moving. She feels all eyes on her. Her heart beats fast. Her mouth feels dry. She whispers, "Coffee." Whispers means speaks very quietly. The worker smiles and gives her coffee. Sophia sits down. She feels happy she spoke, but she also feels shy. Later, she thinks, why is it easy at home but hard outside? This is the real question. Now, listen carefully. Shyness in English is not about language. It is about emotion. When you speak English, you feel exposed. Exposed means open for others to see. You worry about mistakes. You worry about accents. Accent means the way you pronounce words. You worry about being judged. Judged means people thinking you are good or bad. But here is the truth. Most people are kind. Most people are busy with their own life. They are not waiting to judge your English. This fear lives inside your mind, not in the outside world. Let me repeat this important idea. The fear is inside you, not in other people. When you understand this, everything becomes easier. Now, let us talk about another story. There is a man named Daniel. Daniel also learns English. He is shy by nature. Nature means how a person is. In meetings at work, Daniel never speaks, even when he has good ideas. One day, his manager says, "Daniel, you can share your idea." Manager means the boss at work. Daniel feels nervous. His voice shakes. But he says one sentence, just one. "I think this can help." The room becomes quiet. People listen. They nod. After the meeting, a coworker says, "Good idea, Daniel." Coworker means someone who works with you. Daniel feels surprised. He feels proud. Proud means happy with yourself. He learns something important. Speaking with fear is still speaking, and speaking changes everything. This is a powerful lesson. You do not need to speak perfectly. You do not need to speak without fear. You just need to speak. Even one sentence is enough. Even one word is progress. Progress means moving forward. Mistakes are part of learning, but many learners think mistakes are shameful. Shameful means something bad to feel embarrassed about. But here is the truth. Mistakes are teachers. They show your brain where to grow. When a baby learns to walk, the baby falls many times. Nobody says the baby is bad. Everybody says the baby is learning. English is the same. You will make mistakes. Every morning, say to yourself, "Today I will speak one English sentence to someone." It can be anyone, a family member, a coworker, a shop worker, a friend. Just one sentence. At night, say, "Thank you, I spoke today." Even if your English was not perfect, even if you felt nervous, you spoke. That is what matters. This small routine builds confidence. Day by day, week by week, month by month. You will notice the change. Speaking will become more natural. Fear will become smaller. Not because you are a different person, but because you practiced being brave. Thank you for learning with me. Thank you for trusting this space. Thank you for being brave enough to learn. My name is Leo. This is Better Online English Study. We teach English the easy way. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Join our learning family. Watch another lesson. Practice daily. Be patient with yourself. Remember, you do not need to wait for confidence. Speak, and confidence will follow. You are not alone in this journey. Millions of learners feel the same way you feel. But the ones who succeed are the ones who keep trying. You are learning. You are growing. You are becoming braver every day. I believe in you. See you in the next lesson, and always remember to smile. Goodbye.